If you worry about your mixtape catching on fire, you don't have to worry if you have a fire extinguisher. Boyle's law states that a constant temperature for a fixed mass, the pressure and the volume of a gas are inversely proportional, which means the volume of the gas increases as the pressure of the gas decreases, and the volume of the gas decreases as the pressure of the gas increases. Boyle's formula is P1V1 equals P2V2. P is pressure and V is volume. So how does a fire extinguisher work? First, fire is a chemical combustion reaction typically between heat, oxygen, and some fuel such as wood or gasoline, and the fire extinguisher's job is to take away one of the elements from fire. The most popular fire extinguisher is a dry chemical extinguisher, which contains foam or powder made up of sodium bicarbonate, or typically known as baking soda. Baking soda starts to decompose when it is in contact with fire and releases carbon dioxide. If you cut the fire extinguisher in half, you can see the fire suppressant reservoir connected to the top of the extinguisher. At the top of the cylinder, there is a smaller cylinder that is filled with compressed gas. If you press on the lever, it pushes on the rod that opens up the passage. This releases the compressed gas from the smaller cylinder to the bigger cylinder. The compressed gas creates a downward pressure to the fire suppressant material, which drives up the siphon and out the nozzle. Okay, so how does this relate to the Boyle's law? In the fire extinguisher, the pressure is high and the volume is low. This means when the gas leaves the fire extinguisher, the pressure drops and the volume increases. The Boyle's law is applied when the pressure of the compressed gas from the smaller cylinder is released to the bigger cylinder, and the pressure decreases, causing the gas coming out of the fire extinguisher to have an increase in volume.